constant contact, it's just a massive advantage, which saves me hours of time. My name is Tony Warner. I'm from Black History Walks. I organize walks, talks, and films. And I've been using Constant Contact for about 16 years now. I started Black History Walks because I wanted to have people understand and know about the African Caribbean history in the City of London. We have 25 different walking tours, a Black History helicopter tour, a Black History bus tour, Black History river cruise, and we do it to make sure that this history is kind of shared on a kind of a regular regional basis. I work on marketing, I would say at least once a week. If people don't know about what you do, then they can't come to walk, and if they don't come to walk, then they can't learn the history. So I use Constant Contact to inform people about history. So sometimes the newsletter that's produced via Constant Contact will have information that they would get on the walk. We've grown the Constant contact list via word of mouth and via a sign-up sheet, a sign-up form on the website, and also via social media, so Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc. On Eventbrite, Constant Contact has a feature which helps you to integrate Eventbrite into Constant Contact. So it really helps to kind of draw those two mediums together. The reason I started using Constant Contact is because back in the old days, I had to collect every single email and then email the people like as a kind of a 100 names in one email. Whereas Constant Contact now, you can actually send out an email that's kind of good to look at, it's pretty, it's attractive, and you don't have to put in each email individually. So it was a massive boost. So when it comes to Constant Contact social features, because they have this kind of integration whereby you can link it to Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, you can do your newsletter, but then you just press a button and it all gets kind of made into something that's suitable, and it gets the information out to a lot more people than it would be if you had to do it separately. So Constant Contact has a lot of tools to help you analyze what you send out. They have the kind of metrics as to who opens it, how many times they've opened it, when they open it, etc. So that's quite useful. A very kind of handy tool is the heat map, because you can just look at the heat map and see which section has got the most interest, and that can then help you to calibrate your next email to get more likes, more interest, more clicks, etc. I use AI to summarize my newsletter. So if the newsletter is 1,000 words and 10 pictures, you press one button and the AI makes that 1,000 words and 10 pictures into like 2 pictures and 50 words or whatever, and it saves you the time to do it yourself. One of my favorite parts of using Constant Contact is the fact that you can choose some beautiful images and videos, alter the text size and font and color, etc., and really create something that is very attractive to look at. I would say winning looks like, for my business, more subscribers on the email, more opens, more clicks, and more people coming on the various walks, talks, and films that I do. My number one tip for small business owners is to have your vision in your mind and work to achieve your vision no matter what.